Boost your productivity with AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Playground. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed with tasks or struggling to manage your time? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how AI tools can supercharge your productivity, simplify your life, and help you get more done in less time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to work smarter, this video is packed with tips and tools that will make a real difference. Let's dive in. First, let's be real. Our to-do lists are longer than ever. Deadlines, meetings, chores, it feels impossible to get everything done. But here's the good news. AI tools are here to help. Think of them as your personal assistants, available 24/7 to handle tasks you'd rather not do or tasks that take up too much time. So how can AI tools boost your productivity? Let me break it down. Automate repetitive tasks. Imagine automating things like sending emails, managing your schedule, or updating spreadsheets. AI tools like Zapier can connect your apps and do all that for you. 2. Help you write faster. Struggling with emails, reports, or content? Tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly can help you draft, edit, and perfect your writing in minutes. 3. Organize your work. AI-powered project management tools like Notion AI can help you stay on top of your tasks, create to-do lists, and prioritize what matters most. 4. Save time with creative work. Need to design graphics or create content? AI tools like Canva's Magic Design or DALL-E can speed up the process, leaving you more time for other tasks. Let's look at some real-world examples of how AI tools can make your life easier. ChatGPT, use it to brainstorm ideas, write emails, or even plan your day. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. 2. Grammarly, perfect for writing clean, professional documents without spending hours proofreading. 3. Zapier, set up automated workflows, like backing up your files or notifying your team about updates. 4. Canva AI, create professional-looking designs for presentations or social media in minutes. 5. Notion AI, summarize meetings, create schedules, and even organize project notes with AI-powered assistance. Here's why you should start using AI tools right now. Save time, automate tasks, and focus on what really matters. Reduce stress. AI helps you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. 3. Improve accuracy. No more typos or missed deadlines. AI tools can keep you on track. 4. Boost creativity. Free up your brain power by letting AI handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on thinking big. Getting started is easier than you think. Choose one tool. Start with a beginner-friendly tool like ChatGPT or Grammarly. Learn the basics. Most AI tools have tutorials or guides to help you get up and running. Set small goals. Try using an AI tool for one task, like writing an email or automating a simple workflow. Experiment and scale. Once you're comfortable, explore more advanced tools or combine multiple tools for even greater productivity. And there you have it. AI tools are a game changer for productivity, helping you work smarter, not harder. Which tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to AI Playground for more tips, tutorials, and tools to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.